Hey everybody, welcome back to the Real Estate Mix. Today, I'm going to give you the answer to the question I get asked most. How do you negotiate the best deal from your tenant? How do you get the most money from them? So, with real estate negotiation, you have to know the 3 L's. No, it's not location, location, location. Yeah, that's important for real estate purchasing, but that's not important here when it comes to negotiating the best deal for your tenant. The 3 L's are, number 1, learn. Number 2, look. Third is listen. Okay, so let's talk about learning. You need to know the market you're trying to lease. You need to look at comps. What have things rented for? What is on the market? What's available? You need to understand who the potential tenants coming into that market are. You need to understand who is in the market now. Number 1. Number 2, look. You need to look on the street that you're trying to rent. You need to look at the mall that you're trying to rent. You need to look at the person or the team that you're trying to rent to. You need to understand who are they renting from? Where are they opening in other areas? You need to understand where are they from? You need to understand their background. You need to look at how they act. Okay, you need to look at their body language. Very, very important. Now, number 3, my absolute most important of the 3 L's. Listen. Your listening skills have to be on point. During a negotiation, if you actually talk less, you're going to hear what that tenant wants from you. You're going to hear from them what is the most important thing that they're telling you, or what their most important need is. You're going to hear what the times they need. You're even going to be able to listen and hear how much money they're willing to pay. Learn how to shut your mouth, listen to your tenant, and they're going to tell you what you need to know to make the deal. The 3 L's are the roadmap to success in leasing for the highest dollar amount to the right tenant in commercial real estate. Good luck with the 3 L's. Let me know if you have any questions about them. Like and subscribe. Go out and try it, and I want to hear your story. Happy investing.
Thanks for watching this episode. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.